How to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch TikTok app on your device. Log into your particular account. Now head to your profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select the repost icon which is next to the locked icon. These are all the videos that you have reposted on TikTok. To delete it all at once, simply you need to select a particular one. Tap on the star icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap Remove Repost and this will remove the repost for a particular video. But if you want to delete all the repost on TikTok at once, simply select three line icon at top right corner of the screen, choose Settings and Privacy. Now scroll to the bottom of the screen and choose Report a Problem. Once it gets loaded, tap on Chat with us. Now from the chat section of TikTok, you can easily ask how to delete all reposts on TikTok at once, and after that you'll easily get the solution to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.